In the previous video, we have seen how to create a repository. So in this video, we'll be seeing how to push our first code. So let's get into it. Straight into our code editor. So we'll be creating a folder where we'll be doing all our edits. So in this folder, we'll create a file, a basic HTML file. And using HTML boilerplates, we'll create a basic HTML template. So in the body, we'll give a message so that we can identify it. Once we have a file ready, we'll need to link our code with a GitHub. So for that, we'll need to go to extensions. You can find it over here. In this extension, we need to go to source control and initialize a repository. So it will give you all the list that you have done. So we have only one file that we have changed, and it shows you over here because it is uninitialized. So we'll give it the first init message saying init. It's a common practice to give init as the first commit, as it is easily understandable that it is the first init that we have done, first initialization. Okay, so once we click on publish branch, we can create a private repository. And as you all can see, the files are being uploaded over here. Once the upload is done, we can check it on GitHub. So the upload is successfully done. Let's go check it on our GitHub account. So as you all can see, we have a repository ready. So this was the folder name that we had given, and this is our commit message, and this is the file that we had pushed. So as you all can see, it has the same message. This is my first push. So that's how we push code. There are other two methods. We can even push a code by using the graphical user interface. So if you go to add file and upload files, we can drag and drop any file that we want over here. For instance, I can go to the screenshots and push one screenshot over here. You can see the file being uploaded. And once we complete our commit, you can see the file uploaded. Here the message shows it has been uploaded via upload. So if you upload the code using the graphical user interface, it will tell the user that it has been uploaded using the graphical user interface. You can't give a message if you have uploaded it using GUI.